We're currently in the Hatay province of Türkiye, one of the cities struck by the twin earthquakes last year. Currently, I'm standing in one of the newly built homes for the earthquake victims.
Buradaki çalışmalarımız 5. ayın 20'sinde ilk temel kazılarına başladık. Yaklaşık 839 konut projemiz var burada. Bu projenin de hemen hemen sonuna yaklaştık.
There is like one living room, 3 bedroom. It's like around 90 square meter, and there is like between 22 apartments in one building.
Working with Turkish construction companies, the Turkish Housing Development Administration (TOKİ) has been developing many new housing projects throughout the earthquake-affected regions.
There is like 11 cities in Hatay, probably 50,000 apartments during on construction, and I believe that the most of them about to finish in couple months.
Depremin 3. gününden beridir buradayım. Bu projede çalışmak da bana gerçekten çok özel bir görevmiş gibi geliyor. Çünkü insanların ne yaşadığını gördüm, ne zorluklarda yaşadığını gördüm, ne sıkıntılar çektiğini gördüm. O yüzden elimizden geldiğince bütün ekip arkadaşlarımızla hızlı bir şekilde hareket etmeye çalışıyoruz. Allah'ın izniyle de hızlı bir şekilde teslim edeceğiz, insanlarımızı bu mağduriyetinden kurtaracağız.
To be honest with you, I am like proud of my company because I think we did something for humanity, like for the people. Business, the first thing is money, but in the earthquake, the first thing is people. We work like every day and night. We didn't stop.
Many were wondering how could life go back to the way it once was after the disaster of the century. But just a year on, there is much hope for the future of the region.